Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just a little video update here. Got the trench dug all the way from the road all the way to the back to the shop and the casita. This trench goes from the road to the fence over there where the transformer will be, and then from there to the panel on the and the meter on the main house, and then this will be a sub panel in the shop, and then another sub panel after that in the casita. So step in here in the casita. Plumbers and electrician were here all day yesterday pretty much, and they got a lot of stuff done. They got a diverter valve there, or I'm sorry, a shower valve. I have to buy him a diverter valve because we're gonna have a rain and a regular shower head in there. All vent lines, hot and cold. HVAC guy got the exhaust fan in there. This is upstairs bathroom toilet plumbing there. And upstairs bathroom shower drain. Hoping to be ready for inspection on the main house at least next week sometime, hopefully. And then washer box here, washer and dryer, and hot water heater will be here. This is the first time for me seeing this, actually. It's pretty cool. And then the other thing my plumber did that was pretty cool idea and smart was he ran water lines from here to the other, or to the shop, a hot and a cold, so I can use the water heater in the casita here for the hot water in the bathroom of the shop. So it just prevents me from having to buy another hot water heater. You know, it's just, the shop is just 16 feet away. So the water lines are, you know, not very long to get hot water over there. And then this is going to be his feed line into this building. And there'll be a hose bib on the outside of the wall right there. Up the stairs. The only thing I'm not really all that stoked about is this vent line is going to be exposed unless I build some sort of little plenum or something to cover it. I don't know. But there's only going to be drywall up to the top of that framing there, the wood framing. All the foam's going to be exposed, so. Anyway, vanity plumbing there, toilet, and drain here. Guess I didn't get the shower valve in there yet, but so you can see all the vent stuff. One roof penetration. So I'll pause this and go over to the main house. Show you over there. So here we are at the main house. Got hose bibs in. Got one on every wall, all 4 walls, all the way around. Sorry, a little issue with the door there. Anyway, plumber's got plumbing going in here. Electrician's been busy routing wires. Not sure there's a whole lot new in here since the last video I did. HVAC guy got the attic access scuttle framed in. There's all the exhaust fan stuff for this building. And then out here we got water in, and that line is the hot water heater pressure relief drain. This trench is about 36 deep, and panel is in, got installed on Friday. This trench is supposed to be 54 inches deep, and that goes all the way to the road. It's like 600 feet of trench total. So we're gonna put the conduit in it tomorrow, and then hopefully get an SRP inspection, electrical conduit inspection, on Monday. So that's pretty much it. Well, so the framers had originally put a 2x4 right down the center of this hallway for furring, for drywall. So we had them move that, move the one from the center and put another one in, so there's room for the can lights like that. So they came and did some framing again yesterday. They did some additional framing up there for drywall, because they only had 2x4s up there. So it's furred out, so it's all flush all the way up. So drywall can go all the way to the foam up there. And then foam will come back and seal the edges around where the drywall, where the foam is all irregular anyway. Can't get a tight fit up there now. And they came back and did this framing for the electrician. Got an outlet up there for the garage door opener. And looks like they got to this hallway, which is good. We get our cans in there now. Electrician's been busy doing this stuff, getting ready for trim. There's our fridge box for RO water or just regular tap water, either way. That RO line goes to the kitchen island. It's windy out here today. Anyway, I think that's pretty much it for now. Those are the 2 feed lines. So one of those lines goes to one side of the duplex, and one line goes to the other side of the duplex. So they're two totally independent water systems. So if we get a bad water heater or a leak in one side, we can turn off one side and still have the other side running water while the repair is being done. So one suite doesn't mess up the whole building if there's an issue. So anyway, that's it. Go fuck yourself. Bye.